Hey travel enthusiasts, are you ready for an adventure of a lifetime? Planning a trip to the incredible city of London? Well, you're in for a treat. I've got the perfect 3-day itinerary for you. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, this guide will help you make the most of your time in this vibrant city. So grab your walking shoes, a camera, and let's dive in. Get ready to explore some of the most iconic landmarks and hidden gems London has to offer. Start your London adventure at the iconic Buckingham Palace. This royal residence is a must-see for any visitor. Watch the changing of the guard ceremony. Trust me, it's a must-see. The pageantry and precision of the guards are truly impressive. Next, wander over to Westminster Abbey. This historic church has been the site of many royal weddings and coronations. The architecture and history are simply stunning. Take your time to explore the intricate details and learn about its rich past. Don't forget to snap a pic with Big Ben while you're in the area. This iconic clock tower is one of London's most recognizable landmarks while you're in the area. As the sun sets, take a relaxing stroll along the River Thames. The views are breathtaking, especially as the city lights start to twinkle. Maybe even catch a ride on the London Eye for some breathtaking views. From the top, you can see the entire city spread out before you. It's Harry Potter Day. Get ready for a magical experience. Head out to the Warner Brothers studio tour. This is a must-visit for any Harry Potter fan. Whether you're a die-hard fan or just curious, it's magical. You'll get to see the actual sets, costumes, and props used in the films. After a full day of wizarding wonders, make your way back to central London. The city comes alive at night with its vibrant atmosphere. Grab dinner in Covent Garden. It's buzzing with energy and great food options. From street performers to high-end restaurants, there's something for everyone. Time for some royal history at Windsor Castle. This historic castle is just a short train ride away from central London. Just a short train ride away, this majestic castle is still a working royal palace. Explore the opulent state apartments and imagine what life was like for the royals. Explore the state apartments and St. George's Chapel. The chapel is the final resting place of many British monarchs and is steeped in history. On your way back, stop by the Tower of London. This historic fortress has served as a royal palace, prison, and even a zoo. Learn about the crown jewels and the tower's dark history. The crown jewels are a dazzling display of royal regalia that you won't want to miss. End your day with a leisurely evening in Soho. This area is known for its vibrant nightlife and eclectic mix of restaurants and bars. With its vibrant nightlife and eclectic restaurants, it's the perfect way to wrap up your trip. There you have it. 3 days in London packed with history, culture, and unforgettable experiences. From royal palaces to modern attractions, there's something for everyone. If you've enjoyed this itinerary, hit the like button and subscribe for more travel tips. Happy travels, and remember, London is a city that always has something new to offer, so keep exploring.